next chord we're going to talk about is the C chord. And if you've watched the video on the D chord, we have something similar going on in that we are not playing the low E string. So you see in the chord diagram, there is no we don't play the low E string, and it's indicated by an X on the diagram. Now following that, we're going to use 3 fingers, and your first finger is going to be placed on the first fret of the B string. Your second finger, middle finger, will be placed on the second fret of the D string, right there. And then your third finger, or your ring finger, will be placed on the third fret of the A string. High E and G are going to be played open, and remember, we don't play the low E string. So then when we put all those notes together, we get this sound. There you have it. That's the C chord.